Greetings and welcome to the NewsRamp Legal Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, delighted to have you with us as we explore today's top stories. At newsramp.com, we curate business news from the best newswires, bringing you the most relevant updates. Before we dive in, just a quick heads up. While AI assists in producing this podcast and generating the voices, the news stories are all real. You can read the full articles on newsramp.com. Today is Thursday evening, October 16th, 2025, and we have a great mix of legal headlines lined up for you. So whether you're on the go, working out, or just relaxing, stay with us as we get started. Here's our first headline.
Milagros Tour 2025 transforms lives across the Midwest. Free immigration consultations bring hope to families. The Milagros Tour 2025, led by immigration attorney Alexandra Lozano, has completed its Midwest edition, offering free legal consultations to thousands of Latino families in Kansas City, Milwaukee, Detroit, Columbus, and Indianapolis. Nearly 2,000 families registered, with over 1,000 receiving in-person consultations, each a step towards security and legal status in the U.S. The tour aims to break down barriers of distance and fear, providing not only legal guidance, but also resources, food, and community connections. Marina Gonzalez, for example, regained her faith and is pursuing her dreams after 2 decades without legal protection. The faith-driven movement of empowerment and justice continues through Lozano's nationwide Oficinas Los Milagros and free virtual consultations. Learn more at abogadaalexandra.com. The Professional Alliance for Child-Centered Safety launched September 10th to lead practice standards and promote child well-being. The Professional Alliance for Child-Centered Safety, or PACCS, officially launched on September 10th, 2025, as a practitioner-led network dedicated to advancing education, training, and unified practice standards that prioritize the emotional, psychological, and physical well-being of children. Founded by Stephen P. Lindenberg, Ph.D., PACCS offers members exclusive resources, ongoing education, and vital opportunities for collaboration. Members have access to a curated research library, practitioner-focused trainings, and a professional directory to connect with experts nationwide. PACCS is actively seeking founding members to help shape the future of child-first standards in family court practices, offering priority access to trainings and community leadership opportunities. Visit PAT.global to join as a founding member or register as a new member and be part of a trusted network dedicated to improving outcomes for children and families.
PACCS presents virtual research forum on judicial decision-making in false sexual abuse allegations during family court cases. The Professional Alliance for Child-Centered Safety, PACCS, is hosting a virtual research forum on judicial decision-making in false sexual abuse allegations during family court cases. Jeanette Herman, MSOFC, will present her study on child-centered justice, focusing on challenges and recommendations for handling such cases. Herman's research explores judicial bias, expert evidence conflicts, trauma-informed procedures, and strategies to restore the child's voice in legal processes. By adopting a trauma-informed and evidence-based approach, systems can be created to protect children, support families, and uphold the integrity of the justice process. Join PACCS to be part of the change in reforming family court practices to prioritize child safety and well-being.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Legal Podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.